So, there's a lot of new shit that you guys have missed out on because I'm a dick and I haven't recorded any of it. Mainly because when I was doing it, I had just gotten off work and I went directly to where I was getting it done at to get it done. So, without further ado, I'm not going to show you guys just yet. I'm going to let you suffer. We're actually going out to the camp tonight to go hang out with some friends and maybe get some shenanigans, some rev-offs for good reasons. But on a side note, since it's raining tonight, I've been putting it off for so fucking long that I decided to pull the trigger. I have windshield wipers, you guys. I have windshield wipers on the Datsun. Turns out when I was wiring up the dash, I hooked it up to the windshield wipers instead of the old gauge fuse, which was one above and the same color, except one has a white stripe on it, and I was too dumb to realize and look at it and all that good shit. But, so, I had to go pick up my friend Jana, the one that you seen when I was helping, when she was actually helping me do the transmission work, and then meeting up with Nate, and seeing if his transmission lasts through the night, for one, because it's only going into second and fourth for some fucking reason. We think the transmission's going out, but it might just be the shifter bushings that we installed. Might be causing an issue, but we can't take them back out because they're RTV'd in. So we'll find out, see if we can fix it in the parking lot in the pouring down rain, as always. So, without further ado, let's get over to Jana's, pick her up, and then we'll head over to Nate's. You guys are going to love this one. Last time we went out to Kent, my air dam got all fucked up, remember? Well, guess what? Bitch is being left on the side of the freeway because she toast. I don't know where the rest of it is. Yeah, that sucks. And it's not under the car. I wish it was. It's not behind the car. Oh yeah, this is what I was going to show you guys. I have exhaust now. I'll show you guys what that sounds like later. But for now, I need to smoke a cigarette because that sucks. Alrighty, so here's a sound clip for you guys as soon as I can get going. That was a cop.
No, they have the lights on.
I'm over here, I get fucking punchy into it.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah!
Yeah, I know. I saw you this time. You ain't catching me off guard. No more of that fucking Barbie girl shit.
So, we're out at Kent. We did some dumber things than we normally do, but it's gonna stay dumb because it's fucking awesome.
Yeah.
But so far, you've noticed that Nate is here because it's been non-stop drifting since we got here.
Yeah.
And let's go ahead and show them what we did to my car.
Yeah, we should.
Oh, and by the way, we have awesome camera girl Jana here. So all the out-of-car footage that you see will be from her, except for the donuts in the intersection. That was Joey. Thanks, Joey.
And then, oh. Took me a second to realize forward-facing camera.
So
You're cute. What?
the exhaust, of course, but now we have something cooler. Wanna go up towards the air filter? We got motherfucking stew.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna let that fucking drain the oil out.
Okay.
Ugh. But some more shenanigans because and you seen that badass yellow? Well, I don't even know what the Chevy.
I couldn't tell you.
I don't know. You guys will figure it out. Let us know in the comments. But don't forget to like for dumb shit.
Don't just take off like that.
Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you enjoyed the stews, the exhaust, and of course, the broken air dam. It will be replaced, and I'll actually bolt it on this time. I was not being lazy about zip tying it. It was for track purposes, but maybe just before the track I'll throw it on with zip ties. Yeah?
Oh. Yeah, running back over photo cred. We got Jana, rolling shots.
And I'll post all our Instagram tags in the description.
Yeah, our buddy Hunter for the shots inside my car. I don't think Jeff got any.
Not a big deal. We got a lot of footage.
Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff. Hope you guys liked it. I'm curious to look back over it too.
There we go. I had light.
It's just light, just
Hope.
emanating from your head.
I'm a fucking god. Alright guys, well, as always, stay sideways.